how to install your Lightroom preset. This is going to be a quick tutorial. So first, make sure you get the compressed file and right click on your compressed file to extract all the files. Click extract and it should show up right there on your desktop. Make sure you remember where you have it saved. Now we're going to go to Lightroom, open up Lightroom, and make sure you are on the development tab right there. Okay, once you're there, you're going to go to the preset section, click on import preset, and this will take you to remember where you have saved your file. Highlight all the XMP files, then click import. It should take a while for it to upload. Once it uploads, you're gonna go on your preset section and it shows right there. Okay, select the preset that you want, apply it. It should take a few seconds depending on how fast your system is. Once you got it uploaded and it's showing, there you go. All right, make sure you make your necessary adjustments. You should have your image should have be straight out of camera, properly exposed. If not, just go in the section there and make all necessary white balance and exposure, and that is all.